Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell AI art on Gumroad. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Gumroad, you can use our link in the description down below and you may get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, go to the Gumroad website and log in with your account, and after logging in, you will be redirected to the dashboard. And as you know, if you want to create or if you want to add a product, you can just go to a product section right here on the left side. And all of the products that you have added will be listed right here. So as you can see, this is only my products. And if I want to add a new product, I can just click new product right here. So just click new product and it will prompt me to choose the type of product I'm adding. If it's a service, I can also insert it as it is, and also the price. And same thing with the name of the product. So I need to add the name of the product, the types of the product or service, and the prices. So for example, since it's an AI, I'm just going to name the product AI picture for the sake of the tutorial only right here. And of course, since it's an AI art or AI image, it is a digital product. It's not an ebook, not a course, not a membership bundle, etc. It is a digital product. So I'm just going to choose the digital product, and also with the price, I'm just going to put uh whatever price I want. So let's just say $1,000. And as you can see, after you're done, just click next to customize the product that you will be adding. And as you can see, there will be a preview on the right side whether whenever you edit this sections right here. So as you can see, I can add a description if I want. So let's just add a sample description: AI art uh, for purchase. And I can add a random URL if I want, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. And also for the cover, so this is the cover photo for your product. So it depends if you want to show the art itself or the what do you call this, the cover of your whole bundle of your products. So I'm just going to upload an image of my AI art, for example. But first, if you don't have an AI art, you can just create an AI art using ChatGPT, or you can use Canva or whatever platforms you want to use. Or if you created an AI art yourself, you can just upload it. So for the sake of the video, I'm just going to use ChatGPT. So right here on the ChatGPT, I'm just going to ask the ChatGPT to give me an AI image. Give me an AI art. Here, as you can see, the ChatGPT is now creating my image. So I'm just going to wait until it's done. So right here, as you can see, the ChatGPT already gave me an image art, AI image art. So I'm just going to download it and upload it right here. So yes, right here. So this is the the AI art I'm selling, and also I made it as my cover photo for my product purchasing section. As you can see, this is the preview. So this is the customers will looking at whenever they purchase my product. So yes, so if I can add a thumbnail, I can add it, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. So now for the call to action, I can just also change it from I want this to buy this, since it this is a more a general term. So let's just change it to buy this. And for the summary, for example, this is the text that they will be seeing whenever they purchasing my product. So let's put it you'll get uh this 4K AI art background. And yes, that's it. And for the additional details, I can also add additional details, the attributes, and also its value. And you can add as much as another additional details you wanted. And for integration, you can also enable these options. So you can invite your customers to your Gumroad community chat, invite your customers to Circle community, and invite them to your Discord server if you're also selling your art to your Discord server. And also the pricing, I just set it up earlier. So I can also enable this option. I can allow customers to pay what they want and allow customers to pay in installments. So let's just uh, enable this one. So insert the amount of equal monthly payments. So let's just leave it as it is. So for the version of products, I can offer variation also. The product to sweeten the deal, I can add another version of this image. I can just generate a new image or create a new image and add it right here. And also the price of the another version. And for the settings, I can limit product sales, allow customers to choose quantity, publicly show the number of sales on your product page, mark the product as a e-publication for VAT purposes, and specify a refund policy for this product. And yes, and for the custom domain, so I can add my custom domain, but I think it will be needed to have an premium account. And after I'm done with this, I can just save and continue, and I will be redirected to the content itself. So this is where I will be inserting the product itself, since this image is only the cover photo. So I'm just going to input the real file I'm selling right here. So let's just add the file itself. So this is the file. So after my customers purchase this product, they will receive this file right here, this PNG file. So now I'm done. Just click publish and continue. So after that, your or my product is already published, and I can just copy the URL, share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, or create a website itself. So now I'm just going to copy it and paste it right here so that you can see what it looks like. So yeah, so this is the product page of my, this is how it looks. So when they go to my link right here, they will be redirected to this page, and they can buy this, click buy this, and pay into installments. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can sell an AI art on Gumroad. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.